animals and their homes. Just like we live in our home, similarly, animals also have their home to live in. Now let's see one by one the name of animal and their home. Hen. Hen lives in coop. Dog. Dog lives in kennel. Horse. Horse lives in stable. Rabbit. Rabbit lives in burrow. Fish. Fish lives in water. Camel. Camel lives in desert. Goat. Goat lives in shed. Cat. Cat lives in cat tree. Bear. Bear lives in cave. Rat. Rat lives in hole. Tortoise. Tortoise lives in sea. Sheep. Sheep lives in pen. Bird. Birds lives in nest. Monkey. Monkey lives on trees. Spider. Spider lives on web. Bee. Bee lives in hive. Panda. Panda lives in bamboo forest. Duck. Duck lives in pond. Elephant. Elephant lives in forest. Snake. Snake lives in snake hole. Lion. Lion lives in den. Ant. Ant lives in until. Zebra. Zebra lives in grassland. Donkey. Donkey lives in a stable. Cow. Cow lives in shade. Tiger. Tiger lives in den. Frog. Frog lives in pond. Giraffe. Giraffe lives in grassland. Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus lives in river bank. Deer. Deer lives in grassland. If you like my video, so please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.